Hello everybody, how you doing today? Got a little bit of a mail call and a shout out. Got something from Jim Tedesco and a few other things, so we'll save that one for last. So let's get started with this and see if I can get this open without damaging. I don't think this is a package, I think it's just like paper with a bunch of tape around it. Okay, let go with it, please. Yep, a bunch of paper. Another package. He definitely wanted to make sure it got to me without any problems. Let's see. And we got a huge bag of couplers. Should be about 150 in there. So that'll come in handy. Alright. Let's get to this next one. We got a package from Sticker Mule. Let's see how it turned out. Just kind of threw this together. Had a last minute sale. So let's see how that comes out. Alright. Maybe open back a little bit. I'll get a better look at it. Doesn't open there. It's been sealed all the way around it. Okay. Just gotta cut it open anyway. There we go. Let's see how it looks. What do you think, huh? Shirt from Sticker Mule. Cool. Alright, let's get to the next one here. And this is from Jim Tedesco. Thank you, Jim. He had a giveaway. He's actually had like 2-3 weeks in a row. Has had some giveaways. So I really suggest everybody go check out his channel. He's got good stuff. And I'm not saying that just because he sometimes gives things away. He just has a pretty cool channel. Good, really nice layout. He's doing some pretty major work to it right now, and he's updating quite often on it. So definitely go check out Jim Tedesco. Okay. It's Shoreline Thursday. Cool. All kinds of cool stickers. He's got some really cool stickers. And this is a bulldozer. I believe he said he threw something else in as well. There's the letter on how to put it together and everything. So thanks a lot, Jim. I will get this together and get it painted up and put out a video on that for sure. So alright, we got us 150 couplers. Badass. Another sticker. Some stickers. A little cool badass bulldozer from Jim Tedesco. And we got us a t-shirt from Sticker Mule. So alright everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.